For this project, it will include information on Andrew Jackson and the National Bank. The materials you will need are 4 sheets of the outline paper provided by your teacher, a ruler, a glue stick, colored pencils, a pen, and a pencil. Start by taking one of your template pages, and on the right side of it, draw a representation of the National Bank favoring rich people and Andrew Jackson not agreeing with it. Then go over it in pen. Be sure to erase your lines. Next, add color to it. Once you have done this, take another piece of the template paper and draw a representation of Henry Clay, Jackson's opponent in the presidential election, and Andrew Jackson showing their different opinions on renewing the charter for the National Bank. Go over in pen, then erase your lines. Then add color. Take another piece of the template paper, then draw a representation of what would happen if Jackson vetoed the bill for renewing the National Bank's charter. Go over in pen, then add color. Next, take the last or 4th piece of template paper. Draw a representation of the deposits in the National Bank being transferred to state banks. Go over in pen, then add color. Go back to the first piece of template paper, in the section that looks like a slice of pie. Write, why did Jackson dislike the National Bank? When you write it on an angle. Then go to the second page and write Henry Clay and renewing the bank's charter. On the third page, write Jackson declining the bill. On the 4th page, write removing deposits. Next, cut out all the pieces of paper. Cut along the solid line. For each of the pieces of paper, write a summary about it on the left side. Once you've completed these steps, take your glue stick and put glue on the small flap that is on the bottom right-hand side. Bring the left-hand side over it. Repeat this step for all of your pages. Next, for the part that is titled, Why Did Jackson Dislike the National Bank?, put glue on the back of the right-hand side. Stick this to the left-hand side of Henry Clay and renewing the bank's charter. Do the same for parts that are titled Jackson declining the bill and removing deposits. Once you have both sides glued, take one of the halves and glue the back of it. Stick this to the back side of the other half. Make sure they are going in order. Write your name underneath the papers.